We're at another project right now where we're supposed to be checking out this customer's some work that was done by another company. They have a permit pulled, and it sounds like things are not going very well. So let's check out what we got going. This box right here is for load shedding, and what it does essentially is whenever there's too much of a load on the service for the home, it cuts the load to whatever circuit it's feeding, which in this case is the new EV charger circuit this electrician installed. Part of what the customer is concerned about is they may need a larger service than just 200 amps.
That's only giving me 32 amps, and you're gonna.
This is a Widowmaker extension cord for a generator, and it was made before this electrician got there.
Does the wiring all have to change? Because you were saying, like, what was really making me nervous was that you were going to do all of this after.
I completely understand where this customer is coming from, and she was actually very sharp. She understood most of the fundamental aspects of what was going on. But at the end of the day, what the current electrician was doing was 100% code compliant. The other issue she was concerned about was before this electrician got there, there was an illegal generator backfeed setup, which is pretty dangerous. It had a standard 30 amp twist lock receptacle with a Widowmaker extension cord and no interlock or transfer switch of any kind. This is what it looked like before the electrician got there that installed the EV charger, and he rectified the situation to an extent. And it sounds like he's in the process of fully correcting each issue to code. I gotta be honest, I'm a little frustrated because I didn't make any money being here. We were doing a free quote, but this electrician was doing the right thing and I wasn't just gonna steal a job. I don't know, I feel like electricians that badmouth other electricians that don't deserve it are just insecure in their own knowledge. So just leaving that one now. It ended up not being that big of a deal, and the electrician that was there did the right thing in the end, so I told the customer that.